What's happening, YouTube? Charles and Chargers back to another video, and I've let this marinate long enough. We are going to crack open the Topps Chrome Sapphire Return of the Jedi. I'm going to age myself here, tell you this is the first movie I ever saw in theaters. Dad brought me to. Loved it. This is my favorite of the bunch because I love the all the characters and stuff inside Jabba's palace. Just, I don't know, it's just really cool. So I enjoyed the hell out of it. So we will get into this. Yeah, that's right. They don't put the odds and stuff on anymore. It's 8 packs, 4 cards per. Pull out the packs. There we go. All right. Let's get into this. Hoping to pull my Gamorrean guards, of course, for my PC. That is my favorite character. All right, starting off with Captured. Ooh, a 75 right off the bat. Snagged by the Ewoks. 52 out of 75. Hey, that works. Luke Skywalker arrives. There's my guy right there in the background. Sweet. And Admiral Akbar's Defenders. Man, these cards look awesome. If for some reason you haven't seen them, there's the backs. Like how they got the trivia and all that stuff on there. I kind of hem-hawed around about just selling this box and everything, and then decided to let it marinate. And I'm like, you know what? I don't buy stuff to sell it. I buy it to rip it. So the Confrontation, the ATST, All-Terrain Scout Transport, Dungeons of Jabba the Hutt, and the Triumphant Trio. It's a cool pick there. There we go, Princess Leia. Time Out for Love. Jabba, that's cool. And Military Leader Admiral Akbar. Okay, sorry about that. Just checking something out here. Beto and a Jawa. The Heroic Droids. There we go, Chewbacca. And Master of Terror, that's cool. The Emperor. Very cool. Ripping these just bring back memories of the movie and obviously my childhood and stuff. That's pretty cool. Oh, the Droopy McCool, or Cy Snoodles and the Droopy McCool band is what it is. Droopy McCool, that's cool. I like that. Oh, check that out. The poster, 88 cards, 22 stickers. That's one of, or like the main movie poster or something like that. That one is not numbered. Got the Emperor's Shuttle. and a monstrous fate. You can kind of see the Sarlacc at the bottom there. Kind of wish they would have colored the Sarlacc in a little bit too. That would have been really cool. Still a cool card nonetheless, but I thought it was awesome in Book of Boba Fett. Was it Book of Boba Fett? Yeah. They actually went back to the Sarlacc. That was neat. The Rancor Pit. Deadly Plunge. The Courageous Ewoks. And the Captive Princess. Alright, a couple more packs. Fury of the Jedi. That's where he wipes out everybody on that little, shoot, I forget the name of the darn ship they run. Oh, that's cool. The Jaws of Death, the Rancor. That's a cool card. Okay, we stay. Guards of the Emperor. Hey, color match. That's cool, though. That pops. I like that one. The Emperor's Royal Guards. Oh, that's cool. A collection of creatures. Just what I'm talking about. Jabba's Palace. I like that. And the final pack. The Deciders. Alert to Danger. We got an orange. 15 out of 25. The Villains Confer. Bib Fortuna and Boushh, which is Leia in the Boushh disguise. And Benevolent Creature. Alright, so we got an orange out of 25. And we got the green color, I forget the exact name of it, out of 75. So that's cool. Then we got a stack of the Sapphire and the red Sapphire. Let's see, set that one aside. I like the poster card, that's cool. And then here is our stack of red. That droopy one's cool. I really like that one. Jabba, that's awesome. And we gotta set that one aside with the Gamorrean guard on there too. All right, so that is it, guys. That was a fun rip. I'm glad I ripped it instead of choosing to sell it. May or may not have been a wise choice, but like I've said before, I purchase stuff to rip it, not to sell it. I'm not really interested in the flip, so I'll be looking for some of these at the National next week. You know, a couple to fill out my collection, at least my Gamorrean Guard PC. But that is it for this one, guys. I got to get running. I got stuff to do. So thank you all for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the product here, and talk to you later. Stay safe, stay healthy.